Bleeding hemorrhoids are more common than most people think. In fact, close to 50% of people with hemorrhoids report bleeding as one of their main symptoms. At NovaPure, we understand how painful, frustrating, and even frightening this condition can be. Whether it's the shock of seeing blood in the bathroom, the anxiety of a sudden episode while you're in public, or the fear of leaving a mark on a chair when you're around family, friends, or colleagues, these moments can take a real toll on your confidence and daily life. The good news? You're not stuck with it. There are several treatments available, from simple lifestyle changes to more advanced procedures that can significantly decrease or even stop the bleeding and help you feel like yourself again. Here's an overview of the most effective and evidence-backed solutions available. Dietary changes. Research shows that increasing your daily fiber intake is one of the most effective changes you can make. It can reduce the risk of persistent symptoms and bleeding by up to 50%, particularly when hemorrhoids are related to constipation. The recommended daily fiber intake is approximately 28 grams for women and 36 grams for men. Lifestyle changes. Staying active is essential, as physical activity can promote regular bowel movements, improve circulation, and strengthen muscles in the pelvic area and lower back. However, not all exercises are recommended. Exercises that are generally considered safe and effective include aerobic activities such as walking and swimming, as well as controlled movement exercises like yoga, which helps strengthen the abdominal and rectal muscles. On the other hand, you should avoid exercises that put pressure on sensitive areas such as cycling, rowing, horseback riding, and certain types of weightlifting. Oral medications. Certain natural compounds, when taken consistently, have been shown to help reduce hemorrhoidal bleeding. Here are 3 of the most effective. Asin. This natural compound from horse chestnut helps blood vessels work better by making them tighter and stronger. As a result, it can help shrink hemorrhoids and relieve symptoms like swelling and bleeding. Ruscogenin. Found in butcher's broom, ruscogenin helps strengthen blood vessels. It makes them less leaky and more toned, which can reduce inflammation and bleeding. Rutin. This plant-based compound helps keep blood vessels healthy. When used in supplements with other flavonoids, it can help reduce bleeding caused by hemorrhoids. Let us shamelessly toot our own horn here. These findings also guided the development of our supplement, Formula H, a gentle, natural solution for those seeking science-backed relief from hemorrhoids, including support for symptoms like pain, swelling, and even bleeding, all without harsh treatments. Topical medications. Most over-the-counter hemorrhoid creams contain lidocaine, a synthetic, local anesthetic that helps relieve pain and itching. While it can offer short-term comfort, its effectiveness in actually reducing hemorrhoidal bleeding is not strongly supported by clinical evidence. In contrast, leek extract cream has shown promising results in clinical research. 2 studies found it significantly reduced bleeding severity compared to both standard anti-hemorrhoid creams and placebo. If you're considering pharmacological treatment, micronized purified flavonoid fraction, MPFF, has been shown to effectively reduce bleeding in patients with hemorrhoids. MPFF is widely available in most pharmacies under various brand names. For those suffering from grade 3 or 4 hemorrhoids, surgical intervention may be the most effective option, especially if bleeding is accompanied by frequent discomfort, itching, or pain. There are several surgical options available, so it's important to consult with a specialist to determine the best approach for your situation. Bleeding hemorrhoids can be distressing and disruptive, but effective treatments are available. In many cases, conservative measures such as dietary changes, oral medications, and topical therapies can offer significant relief, especially in the early stages. For more advanced cases, surgical interventions may be necessary and are often highly effective. Every situation is unique, so it's important to consult a healthcare professional who can guide you toward the most appropriate treatment based on your specific condition. With the right care and support, meaningful improvement is possible, and your comfort and well-being remain the top priority. We wish you a smooth recovery, renewed confidence, and a full return to the life you love.
Hi, I'm Mel, founder of NovaPure. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope this video brought you some clarity and reassurance. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you. To learn more about Formula H or natural supplement for managing hemorrhoids, visit our website at novapureus.com. Many users have reported noticeable relief, especially with symptoms like bleeding and discomfort. Take care of yourself. You deserve comfort and support every step of the way.